Design ultra-realistic AI influencers with lifelike voices, unique appearances and dynamic expressions. From today you can create trending AI viral contents in any niche and language with a single keyword. You can produce versatile influencer content like dancing reels, vlogs, product reviews, unboxing videos, commercials, tutorials, video ads and more, or whatever you want. Transform influencer avatars into high-quality animated videos, bringing scripts and emotions to life seamlessly. Generate trend-sensitive scripts that keep influencer content engaging and relevant. Produce natural, human-like speech in 32 languages and much more. Introducing world's first app that can create ultra-realistic human-like AI influencers for social media such as Instagram, YouTube, TikTok. Automatically generate and publishes trending AI viral contents and more. Stay connected, I will show you in detail. Let's log in straightly. I will put the link and coupon code in description. After login, you will find this dashboard with all required menu in left side. To create your first AI realistic influencer, write any prompt as per your wish, detail is preferred and then click on Generate button will immediately generate your AI influencer. Open image in new tab and save the image to your PC. Then go to AI influencer visuals option. And upload the image and set any target image you want to swap into and click Generate button will create your influencer. You can swap your influencer face into any image you want. Go to AI influencer animation option and now upload your influencer image and upload any video you want to swap with and click Generate button. And see the result. It's really outstanding. You can download it and upload to any social media and get viral. And instantly drives millions of views and 50,000 to 100,000 daily new followers. You can also use AI content scripting feature to write any engaging contents. Write your requirement, select language you prefer, select creativity level, and generate. Easy and awesome. Change any language you want, change any idea as per your need, whenever you want and however you want. If you have confusion you can ask me on comment section, I will answer all questions one by one. Not only this, you can also create premium AI music with one click. Write any keyword and just click on Generate will generate premium copyright-free AI music in seconds. Also you can create any brand logo in one click with this AI. Write any topic and click on Generate will instantly generate your logo. This AI have also a feature named AI Influencer Assistant where you can get any kind of support by chatting. Till now, if you found my video helpful, please like and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can also use AI SoSci captions for generating high-quality social media captions with AI. You don't need to use any other AI. Write your idea and click on Generate button will generate super caption for sharing to any social media. Not only captions, you can also generate social media details description from AI SoSci descriptions option. Write any idea, use any language and generate easily. For social media, you need to use hashtags. You can use AI SoSci hashtags feature to create AI hashtags in seconds. Write your requirement and click on Generate button will suggest you best trending hashtags. So, with this AI you will need to create your influencer at first, then use any video to swap your influencer to ready your video and upload it straightly from this AI and get viral and earn tons of money. Thank you for watching.